Trump has abruptly canceled EPA community grants, which has affected millions in funding for Contra Costa County and 8 projects in North Richmond. KTVU's Jenna Katsuyama tonight reports from Richmond on what's at stake.
On Earth Day, there was sunshine and the smell of fresh dirt at the Urban Tilth Farm in North Richmond. And next to the rows of fresh vegetables for the community, construction was underway on the foundation of what is supposed to be a new community health center.
The Community Resiliency Center essentially is designed to provide 4 days of care and shelter. We have an HVAC system. It's all solar powered.
Adam Boisvert with the nonprofit Urban Tilth says Contra Costa County's $19.1 million EPA grant has been canceled by the Trump administration. The county was awarded the grant in January, but then the EPA website showed it as suspended in March with no notice.
We were never officially notified by the EPA that the grant was canceled.
Now, congressional representatives John Garamendi and Mark DeSaulnier have sent a letter to the EPA's director. The county had 3 other project partners, including one to add shade trees and gardening for students at Verde Elementary School, and another to convert public housing into livable, green, affordable homes.
There is now a court decision which has basically ruled that these grants across the country, and there's over 100 of them, were illegally canceled.
Even though it's legally dubious, it has an enormous practical effect.
UC Berkeley environmental law professor Dan Farber says the EPA grants are just one of many changes the Trump administration is making to reverse decades of environmental regulations and policies. On Sunday, the EPA director announced 280 EPA employees will be laid off this summer.
The administrator of EPA was talking about, 30-40% cuts in EPA's staff.
The White House put out an Earth Day statement saying it's reforming the EPA, cutting down on wind farms, expanding natural gas drilling, and making other changes. Farber says while changing laws is difficult and slow, the administration has been moving quickly to roll back a wide range of regulations by adding a 1 to 5 year expiration clause.
It's an enormous challenge for the environmental movement because so many things are being, attacked all at the same time.
This North Richmond coalition of community groups say that they are going to try and press ahead, but in the meantime, Contra Costa County is considering legal action. Reporting from Richmond, Jenna Katsuyama, KTVU, Fox 2 News.